The next chapter in the 70-year Chevrolet Corvette history and now mid-engine Corvette journey starts here with the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. I'm Dave Jacobs at Jake Hiers Chevrolet, and we're going to look at the next American supercar. Let's take a look at the engine. The 2023 Corvette Z06 debuts an all-new 5.5-liter dual overhead cam V8 engine that marks a return to natural aspiration for the track-capable performance model. A lightweight, flat-plane crank design enables the engine to rev to an astonishing 8,600 RPMs needed to create significant power. More than horsepower, the new LT6 is designed to complement all aspects of the Z06 track-focused performance experience. Hand-built. The LT6 is hand-assembled by master engine builders at the Performance Build Center within the Bowling Green, Kentucky assembly plant. Builders use precision tooling and hand-fit pieces of the engine to meet Chevrolet's exact specifications. Each engine features a plaque on the intake manifold with the signature of the technician who crafted it from start to finish. Exhaust. The unique rear fascia also features centered floating exhaust bezels. This floating design was key to the precise tuning in the exhaust note. The wider rear fender also allows for the larger air intakes required for the car's cooling. Cockpit. In the driver-focused cockpit, premium materials continue to elevate the luxurious look and feel introduced with the Stingray. They're complemented with available carbon fiber trim that expresses the car's lightweight, track-purposed mantra. Unique features include an available carbon fiber wrapped steering wheel, shift paddles, and new carbon fiber interior trim package, Level 2. The Z06 also features hand-wrapped leather interior options, including the all-new, available, fully trimmed interior in Adrenaline Red. For more information about the Chevrolet Z06 and our full line of Chevrolets, come see us at Jake Hiers Chevrolet in Melbourne, Florida, home of Warranty Forever. Thank you.